Hello, my name is Square. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Circle. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Triangle. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Heart. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Ellipse. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Rectangle. Nice to meet you. Today I'm going to show you how to make small shape puppets. If you don't have coloured card, you can just print a template on white paper and colour them in. Here we go. Okay, there we are. It doesn't matter if it's a bit messy because we're going to cut it out. My puppet is going to be happy. There we are, going to cut out our shape, cut along the line. Good. So now we have our shape and we have two ellipses here. Now we need to fold the ellipse in half like this. So half the ellipse is on this side and half the ellipse is on that side. And we're going to cut the ellipses like this. If this is a bit fiddly, you can ask your mummy or daddy to help you. That's one. Oops, doesn't matter if you go a little bit past the line because if the hole's a bit bigger, your fingers will probably fit in a bit better. There we go. And let's open it up. Hey, our little shape puppet. So we can put our fingers through, all the way through. And there we go. Hi, my name is Square. Nice to meet you. Hey! And that's it, finished. Colour the other shapes in different colours, cut them out, and you have your own small finger puppets. Have a good time. Looking forward to seeing them.